Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will show you how I have made this pretty Sleeping Beauty bottle art. So come, let's start with the video how to do it. So first I have taken this bottle and by using white acrylic color and sponge I will paint this bottle completely. And once the bottle dries up nicely, I will give another coat, but for that coat I will mix yellow acrylic color and white acrylic color together. So we are done with the first coat and it is dried up. So here I have the yellow and white acrylic color. I will mix both the colors. And again by using the sponge I will give the second coat. You can give any other color of your choice. So we are almost done with it. Once it dries up, we will start painting the face of the girl. Now I have used the black permanent marker, the thin one, and with dotted lines I will make the shape of the sleeping girl. This type of images you can find in Google. Many images are there, so you can select any picture of your choice. To make such faces, actually you need a broader bottle, and on the broader surface only you can perfectly draw the face of the girl. So we are almost done with the outlines. Now by using the black permanent marker, the bigger one, I will highlight all the outlines. In place of this, you can also use the black acrylic color with a thin brush. And make sure that your bottle dries up nicely, otherwise it will take off the color of the bottle. we are almost done with the hairs. So we are almost done with all the outlines. Now using a small brush, I will paint the lips red. And here I have used the red acrylic color. So the lips are done now. Now by using the pink acrylic color and a flat brush, I will start painting the flowers. I will simply give flat strokes to make the flower. Now using a toothpick and this color, I will make some dots in the center of the flower. I will also give some white dots to highlight the flower. So our flower is also done. Now using these two small butterflies, I will decorate on the top. I will paste it using Fevicol. So this is how it looks now. Now I will paint some green leaves using the green acrylic color and a thin brush. I will paint some more leaves on the bottom also. So this is the final look of my Sleeping Beauty bottle. And on the top you can see I have put one lace using Fevicol to give the finishing. And I have also highlighted the eyelashes with the black marker, the bigger one. And this is how it looks with the fairy lights. I hope you have enjoyed my video. So if you have liked, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.